Hi, I'm Yamach.
And I'm Sue, and together we are the RV Exec Chef. Now today we're going to show you how to make cranberry and apricot stuffing. But look out for our other video, how to make turkey gravy, because we are using the stock from the turkey gravy to make the stuffing. It's Thanksgiving, guys, and we are really going to make some great stuffing for you guys. We're going to show you exactly how to do this. It's going to be great, and we're so excited because stuffing is one of our favorite things for Thanksgiving.
Yeah. I'm so pumped up today making this recipe. I have breads, I have apricot, I love apricots, and also cranberry I love, and fresh herbs. This is the best things.
Fresh herbs, yeah?
Oh yeah.
And it really does complement that turkey breast.
The first step, breadcrumbs, parsley, lots of parsley.
I love fresh herbs.
Yeah, I love to. And 2 large eggs I'm adding. And fresh sage here. Woohoo!
I smell it already.
Yeah.
I keep saying that all the time, but the smell.
I put salt and pepper. Yummy. And mix it very nicely. You know, everything's combined together. Almost there, almost. My bread mixture is ready. Now I'm going to saute the vegetables, onion and celery. I'm taking 1/4 cup olive oil. I love to use olive oil. Oh, that's yummy. And take your onion, dump inside, and your celery. And you need to saute until it gets golden brown.
Just let you know, guys, we're going to do 2 kinds of stuffing. Not in terms of flavour and recipe, but in terms of if you want to stuff the turkey with the stuffing and if you want to cook it separately. So we're going to do 2 kinds and show you the stuffing cooked in the oven separately, and then we're going to stuff the turkey as well.
Oh.
For the cranberry orange
Stuffing.
Stuffing, we cooked on electric. You probably noticed that. We're doing the stuffing on electric, and we did the turkey gravy on electric. But you can obviously do it on propane. Or the fire, whatever you've got. So we're just saying we used it on electric, and the temperature we're sauteing on is it's a medium. Medium. We don't do it too high in case you don't want it to.
You don't want the vegetables burn.
Yeah, you don't want them to burn, and you don't want them to overcook too fast.
Vegetables took 10 minutes to cook. Celery takes a little bit longer time to cook inside. I'm tasting almost there. Almost there. Ooh, yum yum, smells so good. Can I give you this too?
Yeah, give me that one.
Yeah. Vegetables are ready. Right now, I'm putting the bread mixture in. I'll put this side, you can see. Like that. Yeah, all the breadcrumbs there.
Let's take that too.
Yeah, please, thank you. And stir a little bit. We need little bit turkey stocks here. I'm not putting all of it because too much. Maybe I use 1/4 cup. Make sure toast very well. And I'm putting apricots and cranberry. Yummy.
Nice. Can I see?
Yeah. Just
the colours look so nice.
So nice, and slightly toast.
So you don't mix it?
No.
Gently stir
gently toast it. Yeah. Your mixture ready for oven. The color is beautiful. Orange, red, green, yellow, every kind of color.
It looks so nice, doesn't it? If, if you're doing it separately and you have it in a separate presentation on your table.
Yeah.
It looks so nice with all the colours.
Yeah. Next step, Take the mixture, put inside the dish for the oven. I'm using half of the bread stuffing. The other half will go, you will see in the next video, inside the turkey.
So there you go. Look at all them beautiful colours in there. So now you've put it in your oven-proof dish. You put it in the oven at temperature 350 until it goes nice and golden brown, and just keep checking it, see how it's getting on, and then you'll obviously have a really beautiful smell in your RV. So yeah, there you go.
20 minutes almost. Yeah.
20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes takes in the oven.
Okay,
yeah.
there you go. I can't wait to eat that.
Yeah, me too.